Hi everyone. The continuation of previous slide is public issue. Public issue. In this, we are going to discuss about three items. The last three items in public issue: safety net, French action, and basis of allotment. What is a safety net? The safety net is the name itself. We can understand. And this is for the benefit of the company. It is with the proprietary work done by company. If at all anything went wrong, that is mean after the issue, what the company has to do. Exactly saying, this safety net scheme, which is meant for buyback arrangement of the issuer company in consultation with the lead merchant banker. Disclosures in the red herring prospects that if the price of the shares of the company post listing goes below a certain level, then the issuer will purchase back a limited number of shares at a pre-specified price from each allottees. Exactly what it is, its meaning to be, uh, always the environment may not be favor to the issuer. That means before the issue and after the issue. Before the issue, the company may expect it. Yes, there will be a over welcoming in the market when it is going for issue, but exactly it is opposite when the issues are made. This will get the less respect, or maybe say less welcoming in their mean, by which of instead of going for over subscription, it is under subscription. Under subscription is not always good when the company is first time going for the IPO. To avoid such one, the company having the pre-plan, if the price is below going to the price what it is fixed, and then that certain percentage of share was again buyback by the company, which is called it as the safety net. Over and above, today there is no such kind of the practices are available in the safety net. We'll move on to the next one is the French action. Is French action methodology is very close to the book building issue, but there's a small differentiations in French action. The company itself fixed the floor price, whereas in the book building issue the floor price is not fixing, that's a minimum and the maximum price is fixing. So here in the French action, floor price is fixing, basic price is fixing by the company. Bidder of the investor, that is bidder is called the investor who is going to buy the shares from the company. They have to quote it as high as possible. The allotment is going to be made only for the highest bidder, but the highest bidder will not get their entire share of the particular company. It will have the own limitation based on the category. That means retail investor is there, qualified investors are there, qualified institutional investors are there, private placements are there, so many number of categories are there. So altogether, whomever is bidding the more, they will get the shares. And the next one is basis of allotment, how the allotment are going to be there. This is only the case of over subscription. Under subscription, no problem. Whomever is asking the investment, that means buying issue for interested shares, they will be getting the, what is mean under subscription, over subscription. I'm going to issue the 100 shares. The request is coming only for 100 shares, is fine, well and good. All the 100 shares are going to be issued to the demanded person or the asked bidders. When the below the 100, it is called 90, mean it is under subscription. In that case is also allotment will be made as the request made by their investor. Over subscription mean it is more than 100. If suppose for 100 shares, the welcoming message and the request is made for 150 shares, how this 150 request is going to made with the 100 shares, that is what is called as the pro rata allotment. This will follow with the serious number of process. That means and applications are all together, and the over subscription is going to be calculated, and the classification is made according to the qualified institutional buyers, retail investor, non-institutional buyers. Then this category is compared with the over subscription, and finally they draw a line between the over subscription and the request. Then the allotment is made to each and every person based on the book building value. That is called the pro rata allotment. So today's, as per the SEBI's instruction, the allotment how it is made in meant for the over subscription issues. It comprises of a three group of people: individual investor, non-institutional investor, and qualified institutional buyers. It should be allotted on the basis of 35, 15, and 50%, which means 35% meant for retail investor, 15 for non-institutional investor, 50% for the other qualified institutional buyers. So these are all made for the benefit of the investor. That means everybody have the slot in the particular allotment, and make that company is more generic and will be more democratic in nature while going for taking a decision and all. So in this slide, we had to discuss about safety net, that is meant for buyback arrangement. Next one is there the transaction, that is for the purpose of there the bidder, and another type of there the book build issue. And next one is there the basis of allotment, how the oversubscribed shares are allotted by companies. Thank you.